Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my channel, Time to Cook. I am just gathering some ingredients from my fridge because I am making soup today. I am making minestrone soup, and boy is this a good one. All right, so I think I've got all my ingredients out. I'm just going to chop up these vegetables, and then I will show you all the ingredients that you will need to make this delicious minestrone soup. All right, so my vegetables are all cut, and honestly, that is the most time-consuming part. This soup comes together really quickly. But now let me go over these ingredients with you. Okay, so you will need some Italian sausage. Now the recipe that I'm using calls for 1/2 pound, but I'm going to go ahead and use 1 pound of the Italian sausage. And then I have here 1 cup of small shell pasta, but you can use elbow macaroni. Any little pasta that you want will work just fine. Then I have 1 carton, which is 1 quart of chicken broth, 2 14-ounce cans of diced tomatoes, and then I have 1 15-ounce can of the light kidney beans, then 1 cup each of celery, onion, and carrot. The recipe calls for 1 zucchini, but these are pretty small, so I'm going to use 2 of those. Then some salt and pepper, and then 1 teaspoon each of dried thyme, basil, and oregano. So I've placed my Italian sausage into a soup pot, and I'm going to cook this until it browns up. I'm going to go ahead and add my celery, carrots, and onions. So I forgot to mention that you will also need 2 cloves of garlic. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my cans of tomatoes. And also my kidney beans, and I have drained the liquid off and rinsed them. I'm going to go ahead and add the seasonings. Give a good couple pinches of salt. And also some black pepper. I'm going to add my chicken broth. And I'm also going to add my pasta. All right, so I'm just going to cover this and let this cook for about 20 minutes. So while my soup is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and cut up my zucchini. I don't want to add my zucchini in the beginning because then it just kind of gets a little bit too soggy and mushy. I'm going to add it just about 5 to 10 minutes before the soup is done, and that'll give it enough time to soften but not turn into mush. seriously my favorite time of year because I absolutely adore soup. Any kind of soup, you could give me soup and it's like, it's my happy place. It's my comfort. And this minestrone is so good. I have made some of my artisan bread, the no knead bread, and this recipe is super easy. You can check out that recipe. It's on my channel. I'll give you the link to that video to show you just exactly how to make it, but there's nothing better than homemade bread dipped in soup. Ugh. Oh yeah. This is so hearty, full of vegetables, full of flavor, comforting, warm. It just makes you want to do that. Okay, well, I hope that you guys give this minestrone soup a try because I know that you will love it. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. And as always, I will see you soon with more recipes.